Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Pink Handmade. Today we have Spice Everything season. Have lots of watercolor with this card. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To begin, we're going to be using the pumpkin spice stamps and the dies, using the donut, the cupcake, and the coffee cup, along with the basket cover die. Let's get started. We're going to place our cover die onto a piece of brown cardstock. We're going to secure the edges so we don't have to further trim on this, and I'll run it through my die cutting machine. Going to remove all the pieces. It's a beautiful die, cuts really clean, and of course it's pink. Now, on a piece of watercolor cardstock, we're going to stamp the 3 images using some embossing ink and then using gold embossing powder. I'm leaving enough room in between and placing my gold powder onto it and heat setting with my heat embossing gun. I'm going to allow that to cool. While that cools, I am going to stamp the Happy Everything Season stamp set onto a piece of cardstock that matches that basket cover die and heat setting that. We're going to go ahead and trim that later to place on our card. Now back to our images that we had stamped heat embossed previously. We're going to put these cover dies, the pumpkin spice dies, onto our embossed images, securing with washi tape and running these through our die cutting machine. Once they're done, we're going to pop them out and these are ready to watercolor. We're going to place some watercolor washes onto our actual card base that I had folded, and this is just regular Nina cardstock. Next, I am going to be coloring each of the little images, beginning with the pumpkins, to give these images a little of where we're going to go ahead and color. And because the pumpkins are orange, we're going to do that first. Next, we're going to place our basket cover die onto our watercolor panel, and then using foam adhesive, placing each of those watercolor treats onto the card base, and last but not least, adding that sentiment. We're going to cut the edge off, and this is ready to be mailed out to your friend who loves pumpkin spice everything. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. Please give the thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't before. Thanks!